welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this automatic, semi-automatic, should we say. It's a Peugeot 107. I mean, Toyota Aygo, most of them will be the same. So the clutch has been changed, and what we're getting is this. Now you can put it into E. It's still flashing as that, so what we need to do is code it in. Now I'm using the launch diagnostic tool, which is the X431 Pro 3 AC. So it's a brilliant piece of machine. So we've done a full scan. Obviously nothing comes up in terms of fault code. Let's turn it off, turn the ignition on. I'm going to show you step by step on how we can actually code it in using this diagnostic machine. So once you've selected the make and model, or if you've done an auto VIN of launch, and most of the diagnostic machine, it's a bit difficult to do the auto VIN detect, so you'll have to manually select it, which we go into diagnosis, system selection, engine gearbox, controlled manual gearbox MMT, and we go into special functions, and then here we do this one and this one, and it's going to tell us what to do exactly. So this is the procedures of what we have to do. So we'll okay, this diagnosis, switch the ignition off. Okay, so wait a few seconds till it does what it needs to do. So it's auto selecting the gear. There you go. So it has done what it needs to do. So we'll hit OK. So we will wait. But it is a pretty simple. Sometimes it'll fill on the first go. Normal, it's nothing to stress about. Do it on the second time. I have done it previously, like not just gearbox, DPF, many other functions, but yes, it is, because it's not flashing anymore as it was previously flashing. But what we'll have to do, turn the ignition off like this, hit OK, and we'll wait for about 30 seconds or so, and then once that's done we'll turn it back on, and hopefully that'll have solved it. If not, we'll redo this process. Turn it on, it shouldn't come up with the end like it was flashing before. There you are, guys. So that's how you would code it in. Reality is you need a diagnostic machine like this, otherwise it's not going to work. So make sure you have something decent. Hotel, launch, X2, make sure it's quite high up, otherwise it's not going to work.